San Pio Quinto. I'm 29 years old, Filipino. I am married. I have one child. My husband is working as a driver. I have one brother. I have 4 sisters.
Good day to you, Miss Pinky Pearl. How are you right now?
I'm very much fine, sir, madam.
What do you think are the right attitude and characteristics of a good domestic helper?
Sir, madam must be an honest, hardworking, patient, and humble.
Okay, so since you're first timer, how will you avoid your homesickness?
I will focus myself and my work. I will always be busy.
So can you tell us how to take care of the children?
I will give them food and vitamins in the right time, and I will tutoring and love them as my own child.
Okay, what if you commit a mistake? What will you do?
I will say sorry, and I will promise that I will not do it again.
What is your last message or promise to your employer?
Sir, madam, can you hire me as your domestic helper, because I need this job for my family, and I will promise that I will finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you, Miss Pinky Pearl, and hope to see you soon in Singapore.
Sir, madam, thank you very much.